Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Kothia and we have founder of Llama Lounge, Jeremiah, and most of the people in Silicon Valley knows him, but for those 5% people who doesn't know him, can you introduce yourself quickly?
I am the founder of Llama Lounge. It's an AI event series for founders and also VCs and corporate AI buyers. And we bring people together. And usually it's a pitch event.
Got it.
But today we're at Snowflake in Menlo Park and we're doing a hackathon. This is the first one we've done.
Got it.
So we have over 100 developers that are hacking right now in the room and more are online.
Got it.
And they're building new agentic products. And they're using our partners. Obviously, they're using Snowflake, who's hosting this for the
Got it.
the data. We also have CrewAI for agent robotics. We have Skyfire for agent payments, and we have Composio that can connect your agents
Got
to
it.
thousands of connections all at once.
Tell me about your past journey, your experience. How did you get into this market and where are you right now and you decided to be in VC?
Okay, so I've been here in tech in Silicon Valley for 27 years. I graduated from San Francisco State University, so I'm a state school grad.
Got
And I've started a company and I had a small exit and I became an angel investor. And then I became an investor into VC firms as well. And then at the VC firm, Blitzscaling Ventures, where I work now as a full-time VC, they invited me to lead the AI investments. And so given that I had this event series starting, it was a perfect fit that I could find the startups to invest in.
it.
In fact, we invested in Crew, Composio, and Skyfire.
Yeah, I researched about it.
Yes, and they're leaders in their categories, so we
Yeah.
got really lucky.
Yeah.
They're amazing, and I know you've been interviewing some of their founders,
Yeah.
so watch those videos as well.
Yeah. And so you've seen hundreds of AI demos, but what is the main domain which everyone are missing, which can be $1 billion idea according to
Ooh, good question. So healthcare is an area that's just being untapped now.
you?
That requires lots of computation. People are trying to figure out and create new drugs that will be personalized for people. That's probably way too big for the hackathon today, but that is an area. We're seeing people build software for governments because they're losing employees. That's a new area. So there's other opportunities as well, even in established industries.
So you've invested in a lot of AI startups, but the thing is like OpenAI and Anthropic, those big players can wipe out many AI startup with single features. So
Yeah.
what is the specific mode every AI startup should have to be defensible?
This is a good question, and so the world, these AI labs companies, they tend to go horizontal, much broader, and so they're less likely to go deep into verticals and connect into all the apps into a
Got it.
specific industry and connect all the data.
Got
So that's an opportunity for a startup to go deep, but
it.
the moat doesn't last long.
Yeah.
So here's what startups need: they need proprietary data. Also, they need two business strategies. One is they need their product to go viral or spread on its own. That's called
Got it.
product-led growth.
Got it.
And this is the core blitzscaling thesis, by the way, that we look for in our investments. And the
Got it.
second thing they need is called network effects,
Got it.
which means that when one new user joins or a company, the value increases for everybody else.
Got
So
it.
social network has network effects.
Got it.
Uber, marketplaces, eBay have network effects. So we're looking for those types of network effects, which can include data as well.
Got it.
So that's what those three things are what we're looking for. And when you look at Crew, Composio, and Skyfire, they both have those elements.
Yeah, they are the leading in their domain right
And
now.
all three of them have network effects.
Yeah.
Like more data into Crew, Composio wins, and they spread naturally on their own.
Got it. I did a little bit research about you. And, yeah. So in future there will be $1 billion companies run by 3 people.
Yep.
So what everyone need to learn to be able to be those 3 people?
Yeah, you need to learn how to manage agents.
Got it.
You used to learn how to manage people.
Got it.
3 people company is going to be a CEO who's the visionary and often speaking to the market. You're also going to have an operations person managing finance and the books and operations. And then you're going to have a tech leader who's going to be managing the product itself. And all 3 of them will have agents working for them in the background. We already see there's a leaderboard called the Lean AI Native Leaderboard, where there's startups there that they have fewer than 50 employees and they're generating over $5 million in revenue because they're using mostly agents more than humans. In fact, Crew, who's at this event, they have more agents than humans in their company. And over 60% of Fortune 500 has adopted their product.
Yeah.
It's already happening.
Yeah. So you are aggressively investing in AI startups. So in future, suppose AI will be purchasing every product, then how will the traditional brand loyalty will
No
take
more.
place?
Yeah, there's the way loyalty is going to drop. So
Got it.
the switching costs are very low now
Got it.
because you can have your agent go out and find
Yeah.
the best offers on your
Yeah.
behalf
Yeah.
and negotiate for you, and that's going to happen. So when you talk to Composio, they said something amazing on stage that if you tell the Composio, this is a developer tool, you tell Composio which type of services you want to connect to, it then chooses the vendor and installs it. Like, you don't need marketing or salespeople to do
Got
that.
it.
Right? And you can use that tool right now. They're right in this room. And that's just wild. And then we have Skyfire, who's also here, where the agent will go and complete the payments on your behalf.
Got it.
This is a wild thing. Like, this is a wild place we're going into the world.
Yeah. So traditional brand loyalty will be transformed
Well,
completely.
it'll be
in future,
transformed.
yeah.
It doesn't completely go away because there might be a brand that you tell your agent, I love that brand. It works for me and it represents me. So
Got it.
I want you to negotiate with that one and make sure you do that.
So you invested in Skyfire. If agent buy from another agent, then the consumer market will go down like traditional Facebook marketplace.
And no, not necessarily. So the agent can purchase on behalf of a human customer.
Yeah.
And the human seller will also have a seller side agent. So you imagine you and I are trading these statues.
Yeah.
I have an agent that's looking for a statue. You have an agent that's selling for you.
Got it.
So it doesn't necessarily mean those marketplaces collapse, but it does mean Facebook Marketplace and eBay and Craigslist, they need to accept agents.
Got it.
They need to allow agents in. And that's why Skyfire has agent verification. So that's why they have the technology called Know Your Agent, KYA.
KYA.
And people are using that right now.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for
that's it.
having me, man.
Thank you. Thank